Late to rise, my loves. It was raining too hard to let you out sooner. Good morning. Morning, Mare. Morning, Chloe. Hi, Neo. Happy to see you're not in the nesting box the whole time. Neo's been brooding in here so much that I removed the encouragement egg, fluffed it up. You can see they pushed it all down, but because no encouragement egg, today's eggs are in the old box for a nice change. Lovely, look how clean they are. And they're both warm, so somebody's been laying on them too. Probably that little cutie. Come on, girls. So that repair seems to be working well. Good girl, Phoebes. Go on. Her tail looks so much better with her new feathers. Oh, did somebody knock this over? Not as bad of a mess as usual. Go on down, Neo. You got this, little one. So I forgot to mention the significance of the eggs, or the encouragement eggs, and the fact that there were the egg removed here because of Neo's broodiness. They moved only one egg over here and they laid here. The experiment is sort of like a social chicken experiment, if you will. Chickens are very routine based and they're very social with each other and with their people. So the reason encouragement egg works is they want to fit in. So somebody's laid an egg here, well, I should be part of the group. I should lay an egg here too. It's the thinking. So I'm hoping, pardon me, that her broodiness, because she had 2 days here, it's tied here. So if we take the encouragement egg away, like I said, I fluffed this all up. You can see how it's all compact. Last night, I did this so I could see. And it was perfectly flat. I'm sorry, I'm talking to the people. I apologize. That was a dick move. Sorry, folks. Girls come first. Anyways, my thinking is, if the egg's not there, she may go and lay down, but she's not going to stay there very long. So hopefully that's the case when I come out to put them away tonight, that she's not laying on the other egg. You can join in, Phoebes. Come on. Good girl, Neo. Good girls. Because I've been asked, no, this doesn't hurt with my girls. I've been doing it, well, I've always been hand feeding them a little bit so they know not to peck too hard. And even when I first started doing this, there's a couple of pecks where they got the skin between my fingers and that hurt. But for the most part, they're pretty well self-controlled. Good girls. Chickens have phenomenal depth perception. If you think about it, with a head and a beak that big to pick up a tiny little seed here, like in the top left corner right now, it's now in the center of the screen. To pick that up, if you didn't have good depth perception, you'd get more mud than seed. So most of these, like what Neo's doing now, I don't feel a thing. I more feel the seed or the soldier fly larva hitting my hand more than their beaks. No sandbox today, guys. Sorry, it's gonna rain again. All right, well, not a very exciting day here because of the rain. So I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a long weekend if that's happening where you are. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.